undoubtedly beautiful. But this beautiful Rajasthan is one of the most backward states in India. Characterized by poverty and low indicators of literacy and health, the maternal mortality ratio in Rajasthan is 318 as compared to the national average of 212. Infant mortality is 63 as opposed to the national average of 53.
We happen to be working in an area of healthcare which many health services don't get into. Reproductive health of women, those sensitive private issues like unwanted pregnancy and infertility. Essentially, Earth is an organization that's exploring, we're trying to find out better ways to deliver healthcare to the poor.
Art's innovative approaches include healthcare model for reproductive and child health services run by nurse midwives, postnatal care services, and access to reproductive health at a community level with the involvement of village health workers.
We operate 3 health centers in these villages, which are catering to a population of about 60,000.
Earth has conducted nearly 4,700 deliveries in the last 12 years.
By 2001, Earth devised a new approach to health services being offered at their facilities. It now involved a greater role for nurse midwives.
यहाँ पर जो नर्सेज हैं हम उनको इतना ट्रेन कर देते हैं कि उनको एक तो नॉर्मल और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड में डिफरेंस समझ में आए. कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसी है जो कि हम नर्सेज को पूरा अधिकार देते हैं कि वो लोग यहाँ पर उसको मैनेज करें. जब इनको नहीं समझ में आता है तो वो हम लोगों से टेलीफोनिकली बात करके कंसल्टेशन कर लेती हैं.
The facilities at Earth cover the basic needs of mother and child. Delivery services are available 24/7 with nurse midwives. A gynecologist is available twice a week and a pediatrician comes once a week to offer child health services. Earth soon realized that after a woman is discharged following her delivery, she is most vulnerable. To address this concern, nurses began visiting the homes of the new mothers.
लेडी के घर पे जाते हैं, वहाँ जाके सब जांच करते हैं, उनको कुछ तकलीफ हो तो पूछते हैं, सब चेकलिस्ट है उसके आधार पे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं.
A key change in the communities of Rajasthan is to educate the community on reproductive health. But how does one communicate on such sensitive issues? With the help of an insider, the village health worker like Mohini Bai.
मैं गांव में जाके महिला को समझाती हूँ और साधन के बारे में समझाती हूँ. और कोई नई गर्भवती है तो उनको पूछती हूँ कि आप रे कपड़ा कब आया, तो वे बोलते हैं मेरे को मालूम नहीं है. तो मैं पेशाब की जांच करें बताती हूँ कि भाई आपके बच्चा है.
This is proved to be a boon for women, both married and unmarried, wanting access to safe abortion services.
The only service available for safe abortion in the vicinity are the Earth health centers. Otherwise, women usually would have to go to Udaipur. The safe abortion services that we provide are also anonymous and confidential. We would never divulge any names to anybody. We respect the woman's right to choose and consent.
The inroads Earth has made into the community have been path-breaking. What began as a small effort decades ago reaches out to women in more than 50 villages across Rajasthan.
हमारा ये लगता है कि पहले देखो अतरे हम जागरूक नहीं थे और कोई लोग बाग आते तो बाहर के तो हम इतने नहीं बोल पाते. गांव में जाके सब जागृति आएगी तो सब लोग बाग बातचीत कर सकते हैं और अकेले जा सकते हैं.
Change is possible. Trends can be reversed. And life, birth and childhood can be simpler, happier and a less complicated experience.